People keep on telling us to be consistent this, consistent that, but they never actually tell us on how to actually be consistent at doing something. I mean, what is the practical step-by-step guide on how to actually be consistent at doing positive things? Exercising, studying, reading some books, practicing your art, anything. So that's why this is gonna be an extremely specific video, specific guide on how you can actually be consistent at doing something. Hi, my name is Laksana, just an average person who's also struggling and been documenting my own consistency journey online for hundreds of days. One of my biggest achievements in being consistent is that I currently have an 80-day morning push-ups straight 80 days straight morning push-up streak, fully documented on my Instagram. But hey, I want to say thank you. Thank you for actually caring about your life. Because if you actually want to change your life to the better through implementing some positive things consistently, I actually really do appreciate that, right? So this is January 27th, 2025, and this is going to be day 203 of consistently helping people build consistency. Yeah, as you've read on the disclaimer that I've put, well, I hope you read it, okay? But basically, this is just gonna be some raw talking video of me with zero to none editing, okay? You know, like, yeah, that thing, okay? So I hope that you're gonna stick to the end until the end of this video, so because yeah, I'm gonna be trying to give my best, even though I won't have a lot of editing apply. I won't apply lots of editing on this video. I have rehearsed this video, okay, so yeah, I'm gonna be trying to give my best. But big chances this video is gonna come out on January 28th, 2025. Why? Because I still need to do the editing. And here's the thing, right? So on my live stream rehearse, I was actually just kind of like have the intention to just rehearse for today's script. But unexpectedly, there are like 5 people who actually come to watch my live stream, which I'm really happy about it. I don't know, like, I don't know about you, but for me, like 5 people watching my live stream, that's really something that I'm happy for. Okay, 5 people, like 5 people, that's a lot. And like some of these people, they ask me questions on how to be consistent. Well, yes, of course, I answer them, right? So like it took longer than I expected. And yeah, well, I'm happy, right? But yeah, that's why like maybe I'm just gonna be like edit this video tomorrow. So on today's video, I'm gonna be, explaining about a case study. Okay, I'm gonna be explaining, discussing, right? It's basically discussing because, you can just like give your thoughts and opinions on the comment section. I'm really open to any criticism, right? If you found flaws in my reasoning, if you think that you can make the methods that I'm gonna be, explaining better, you can just like write it down. Okay, I'm gonna be really happy. So I'm just gonna be providing a study case. What can we learn from the methods that I've got from learning from my morning push-ups? Okay, so basically, yeah, again, I've got a 81 days morning push-up streak, and I'm just gonna be discussing about that thing and why it's effective, blah 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 blah. So why do I start this morning push-up thing in the first place? Yeah, basically, again, I'm just an average person who's also struggling and been documenting my own consistency journey. Yeah, basically, I've been, like struggling being consistent for years actually. And yeah, I think like I've got to some level of consistency, which I don't really think like that advanced. But yeah, I think like I can help other people to be consistent. That's why I started this channel, right? That's why I started this channel. But I think like, you know what? I also want to prove, right? I also want to prove to my viewers that I also do the stuff that I actually say on this channel, right? I'm not only like full of talk and not do anything, right? I also want to prove that I actually still, I actually also implement the thing that I say that I'm gonna be doing, that I say that I advise on this channel. So that's why I created the series of, you know consistently doing push-ups before 5:30 a.m. Actually, like when it started, it got a different name, but I kind of like just changed the name for some reason. So so basically, what do I do? Simple. I wake up before 5:30 a.m. I do some push-ups. I record it and post it on social media, and I count how many days I've been consistently doing that thing on a day-to-day basis. Meaning that if one day I don't show up, I don't do my push-ups, or maybe like I show up late, then the streak is gonna reset to zero again. Okay. Currently, I have an 81 days straight morning push-up streak before 5:30 a.m. But actually, I've been doing this thing for hundreds of days, meaning that I have actually broke a lots of streak in the past. Okay, actually I've broke a lots of streak in the past for lots of reasons. There was one day, right, like there was this one day where I didn't do my push-ups because I was way too sleepy. I chose to sleep again instead of doing my push-ups. I broke my streak. I broke my push-up streak and really regret that. And also there was this one day where I forgot to do my push-ups because I've got so much assignments. So yeah, basically, yeah, I'm just an average guy documenting my push-ups and broke my push-ups lots of time. And I have no plan to broke my current streak. Okay, so here's the thing: why is this morning push-up thing is really effective? Because notice that the whole premise of this thing, I think like it lies within the whole premise of this, the title of the series itself, doing push-ups before 5:30 a.m. every single day. It's specific and also it's really clear, okay? Because notice the problem, right? The problem of why we cannot be consistent at doing something is that one, we don't know what is the thing that we are going to be doing, and secondly, we don't know when are we going to be doing it. Right, most of us we only say that, "Hi, you know what? I'm gonna be doing some exercise consistently, blah 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 blah," but don't have any further plan about it. Okay, we only say that, yeah, exercise, and then like don't have any plan about it, right? I mean, like what type of exercise you're gonna be doing, and then like when are you going to be doing it, at what particular time of the day, right? I mean, like how can you even be consistent at doing something if you don't even know what is the thing that you're going to be doing, right? So basically the title of this series, doing push-ups before 5:30 a.m., answers that question, right? Instead of just saying that exercise, yeah, I make it really specific. Push-ups every single day. Oh yeah, also like here's the thing. This is not medical advice, right? So please, if you want to have some, like create some new exercising routine or anything, please consider your own health condition, and also maybe consult to some professional, right? And also not only that I make it clear, push-ups. I also make it really clear when am I going to be doing it. Push-ups before 5:30 a.m. Basically, it answers the question. So why it's effective? Why it's good? Two reasons. Firstly, I don't have to spend the time and mental energy deciding what and when am I going to be doing the thing. Because notice when we don't have a plan, right? A clear plan, we kind of like leave this kind of room for negotiation for our brain. Our brain says something like, our sneaky brain, right? It says something like, oh, you know what? I'm going to be doing some exercise. I don't know what. Maybe I'm going to be doing some push-ups today, or maybe like some pull-ups today, or maybe like some running. I don't know. Maybe I'm just going to be doing it, after, like before school. But, like, what? I'm not going to be using this kind of voice. It's kind of like disturbing. So, hey, kind of annoying actually. Like we say, you know what? I'm gonna be doing it before school, and then like before school comes, we say, you know what? I need to go to school first. I'm pretty sleepy right now, and then we say to ourselves, I'm gonna be doing it after school, and then after school comes. We say to ourselves, I need to relax a bit. I'm just gonna be doing it after dinner. And then after dinner comes, we say, I need to be doing this another thing. I'm just gonna be doing the exercise tomorrow. Blah 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 blah. The same cycle happens. We procrastinate. We don't do the thing at the end of the day. We don't want that to happen. Comparatively, when we just say that, oh yeah, push-ups before 5:30 a.m. It's clear we don't have, like, we don't leave any room for negotiation to our brain, right? And also, the second reason why it's effective is that precisely because, it gives us some sense of consistency, right? Push ups, push ups, push ups, at some particular time of the day, before 5:30 a.m., before 5:30 a.m., before 5:30 a.m. And also, why is this whole thing is really effective? Is that because I count how many days I've been consistently doing this thing without missing a day. You see, again, like if you found that, like you maybe need some rest days or anything, like please consider your own health condition, right? This is not medical advice. So here's the thing, there's something that's really, really interesting about doing something without without missing a day every single day for like blah 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 days straight. So it's gonna make us feel like, oh, you know what, I've been consistently doing this thing for the past 7 days, for the past 14 days straight, and you know what, I'm just gonna be doing it consistently. Like it's really, really interesting for us, as humans. We really attracted to this kind of like the notion of doing something consistently every single day. And by having this concept, like this rule of having, like if I don't do this thing at some particular time of the day, then this streak is gonna reset to zero again. Well, this gonna give us some sense of attachment, right?